Hey guys, today I want to show you how to merge vertices in Blender, so let's get into it. So over here we have a cube, and when we click on it we can click on tab so we can enter edit mode, and you can see these dots over here, and we're gonna select 4 of these dots by clicking shift and right click. Now, if we want to merge them together, we're gonna click on M, and it's gonna pop up this window. Now, if we click merge at the center, it's gonna merge right at the center of this cube, and we got a nice pyramid. Now, if we click M again and merge it cursor, look what it does. It merges right where the cursor is. So if we place cursor over here, let's say, and click M and cursor, it's gonna merge right at that cursor. Now, merged collapse does the same thing in this case, and the other two basically merge it first selected vertex. So for example, let's say this vertex is the one I selected, and we click M. At first it's gonna merge right over here, and let's say this was the last vertex I selected, and we click at last, it's gonna merge right at that point. So basically this is very quick tutorial on how to merge vertex points. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.